Hi Virgos, this is Chao with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for September 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called upon to dive into these oracle texts that I have here. Virgos, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading, Virgos. Towards the final days of August, stepping into September 2021, we have the Three of Pentacles. I think in this time you had made some minor gains. Possibly you would have benefited if you had collaborated with other people around you. Obstacles to overcome this month or the challenges that September is going to pose for Virgos worldwide is the Knight of Pentacles. I think this is a very static energy. You may feel as though the status quo is being maintained. Scrutiny is also quite likely, whether at work or whether in the home environment. Maybe you're also dealing with some upsetting news. For some Virgos, there could also be a work offer, but it may not excite you. Influences for this month, we have the King of Pentacles. This is the time when you need to focus on making money. This is the Pentacle energy, this is the Earth energy, and this is also your energy. Situations may also arise when you have to step in and take the place of the one who backs out. You have to take the onus, or the responsibility lies on your shoulders. I think while asking for services also, you should read between the lines. You should take a closer look at the documents that you're signing rather than be taken in for a ride. In this month, there could also be people who will be kindly disposed towards you. Incidentally, you will also be open-handed towards others. The first 10 days of September, we have the Death card. Change is certainly in the offing in these days. You have to settle for less than what you expect. Maybe your expectations are not being met. Nonetheless, I think you'll be happy with whatever comes your way. You'll also be somebody who has to attend to pressing matters. I think you have to prioritize. Nevertheless, you can take heart from the fact that your tasks will be done quickly, or you can do them one after the other. Largely in these days, you'll be happy with the output. You'll be happy with your productivity. It would also be better to make allowances for clients. Something is better than nothing. Those of you who are in the leadership position, you can expect appreciation. Maybe your juniors are happy because you give them the freedom to carry on with the task the way they want to. However, you know there are some workers who will never be happy, or they'll remain ungrateful. They're always judging you. Surely you will give them a piece of your mind and you will put them in their place. Basically, you are a leader who was not going to tolerate any kind of nonsense. I think you will also have a heart-to-heart talk with the administrator or the management, and you could talk about jealous colleagues or even a jealous superior who's always up to mischief. Certainly, timely intervention by the management could benefit you. The next 10 days, that is towards 11 to 28 September, we have the Strength card. Surprises are certainly in store for you in this time. It's quite likely that you will also get hold of your past dues. Maybe there is going to be unexpected money gains. Incidentally, you're also going to ignore those clients who are quite stingy when it comes to payment. Maybe you will do away with them. On the other hand, they may accuse you of being indifferent. Nonetheless, you will manage to complete a lot of work, though you will be stressed out. I think you should be prepared because excess work is also going to come your way. Maybe your employer could load you with excess work without giving you enough time. Delays are also quite likely on account of unavailability of equipment or even poor internet connectivity. I think in these days also have a collaborative approach. Maybe you will insist that your way is the right way forward. But later you will realize that you have erred. Many of you will also be dealing with government officials, or you will be carrying out official paperwork. In this time, you will get the support of these officials, and in fact, you will appreciate them. Minor irritants apart, this is going to be a quite fruitful period for you. The last 10 days of September, that is towards 21st to 30th September, we have the Six of Wands. Your popularity seems to be on an all-time high. In this time, certainly you're coming across as someone who is quite likable. I think your intelligence could also help you make gains. In essence, Virgos, you are the center of attention. Your intuitive abilities will also be at its peak. In fact, everyone will agree to your foresight. You're somebody who is going to make financial gains in this time, but then sometimes you may feel that your pockets aren't too deep. Maybe you have to pay up your juniors. That is why you think that nothing is left for you. It's also quite likely that some of you may feel as though your junior, somebody who's handling your financial affairs, is not being sincere or is not giving you the clear picture. Again, this is also going to be a very hectic time in the month. You're going to be someone who has to be up and about. You have to commute great distances. Maybe you will also feel hassled on account of the endless rounds of information that is there. I think this month you will enjoy good food. You will be receiving gifts as well. Maybe you will also want to clear your living space. You may even give serious thought to renovating your living quarters as well. Ideally, I think Virgos, you should weigh the pros and cons before you get renovation done. With respect to your love life, Virgos, we have this card received. Perhaps you're going to receive some kind of news with respect to your love connection, or maybe your lover is somebody who's going to bombard you with a flurry of messages. There'll be dinner dates which are going to be planned. Oftentimes, you will also discuss your past or your childhood. Work could also be discussed here because we have the Pentacle energy here. Maybe you will bounce ideas of each other. But then Virgos, you will also want commitment from this person. You want to receive that news which your heart certainly desires. Sometimes, you could be quite perplexed because your lover isn't demonstrative. Maybe he holds himself back. I think in case yours is an unacknowledged relationship, you want to express your feelings for this person. Sometimes, you feel as if you're the one who's making the effort. That is why we have this card, Love Went Cold. Maybe you think that there are no emotions here, or this person is not wearing his heart on his sleeve. Perhaps this person also suffers from commitment phobia. Single Virgos, there'll be marriage offers, or there could be proposals from dating sites or matrimonial sites, but then you may think that financially you are not stable. That is why you may not want to do anything with these proposals. In case yours is an on-again, off-again relationship, I think you could be surprised to hear from this person. Maybe it could also overwhelm you. That is why this card received has come up in your reading. Many of you could also be hearing from your ex-flame, but you don't want anything to do with them. Maybe you prefer to maintain a distance. Basically, you want this person to realize that love has gone cold, or there's no future in this relationship. There are no feelings or no affection here. Married Virgos, I think you need harmony in your relationship, so you should be more tolerant of each other. Sometimes, you may find yourself in situations where you are being made the scapegoat for no rhyme or reason. You realize that marriage does have its good and bad days. In case yours is an unhappy connection, I think you're dealing with a suspicious partner. Sometimes you feel unacknowledged. You feel as though whatever you do is never going to be enough. In fact, you may feel there's lack of appreciation in this relationship as well. Maybe the love has gone cold. As a parent, I think you'll be concerned about your child's health this month. From Lenormand, Virgos, we have this card, Dog. Certainly somebody is going to be quite loyal to you, or even you could be somebody who's a loyal friend, who's trustworthy. I think you're going to support this person, or even you could be supported by this person no matter what. Maybe some of you are also dealing with person in the health profession. But not the least, we have this card, Parents, from the Angel Therapy deck. Certainly the angels or the universe is asking you to heal those unresolved issues. Maybe there could be angry outbursts directed at your parents this month, or some of you could also be concerned about the health of your parent. That is why you need to be the caregiver. I think these emotions need to be healed. Largely, Virgos, you need to thrash out those issues which are bothering you, because it will heal your soul. I hope, Virgos, you liked your reading. This is Tara with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.